Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To view the colors settings in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Personalization button at the left side of the screen to show the personalization settings for your computer to the right. Then click the Colors button to the right to show the color settings at the right side of the Settings app window. To choose light or dark mode for Windows and its apps, select either Light, Dark, or Custom from the Choose Your Mode settings dropdown. If you select Custom, you can then select either Light or Dark for the Choose Your Default Windows mode and Choose Your Default App Mode settings dropdowns to independently set a light or dark mode for each. To enable transparency effects in Windows 11, ensure the Transparency Effects Settings toggle button is set to the On position. You can click it to toggle it on or off as desired. To set the accent color used by Windows 11, select either Automatic or Manual from the Accent Color Settings dropdown. If you select Manual, then select the accent color to use from the Recent Colors or Windows Colors sections. Alternatively, to use a custom color, click the View Colors button in the Custom Colors setting to open a Choose a Custom Accent Color window. Then click into the rainbow gradient to select the color and use the slider below it to set the color's darkness or lightness. When finished, click the Done button in this window. To show the selected accent color on the Start menu in the taskbar, click the Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar Settings toggle switch to toggle it to the On position. To show the accent color on title bars and Windows borders, click the Show Accent Color on Title Bars and Windows Borders settings toggle switch to toggle it to the On position. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.